Hi, this is Mrs. Kopecki with lesson 10 of cursive handwriting. So today we're going to learn the letters Y and Q. So let's go ahead and start with the Y. At the beginning of the year, I made sure that you started your Y on the dotted line, and we made a bowl with our Y, and then we made a curve in the basement like that. So what we're going to add to make it cursive is an overhill stroke, and we're going to follow through our end stroke just like that. And this is what it's going to look like all put together. Start on the baseline. We're going to make our overhill into the bowl, trace back or all the way down in the basement, make a loop, and follow through like that. Let's make another one so you can see how that's done again. So we have overhill. Here's the bowl, down in the basement, make a loop, and out like that. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and start with the Q. This one's a little trickier. Now, we do still start on the dotted line, and we go around like an A. But when we go down, we don't curve to the left, we're going to curve to the right. That is a printing cue, and here's what we're going to add. As you may have guessed, it gets an overhill stroke because it's much like the letter A. But our ending stroke is going to be added like this. We're going to connect to the stem going down, and then we're going to make a little end stroke out to the side, just like that. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like all put together. We start on the baseline, we make our overhill stroke, stop, turn around, touch the bottom, connect, down to the basement. Remember, loop the opposite way, connect at the baseline, and then form your end stroke going outward. Let's try another one. Overhill, stop, turn around, touch the base, connect, in the basement, connect, and outward. All right, one more for good measure. Overhill, stop, turn around, connect, in the basement, back, and out. All right, let's make some words using those letters, like quite tiny. So we're going to start with our Q. Start on the baseline, make our overhill stroke, stop, turn around, connect, in the basement, go to the right, connect, and this ending stroke goes right up into the U. And there's our bowl, and this goes right into the I, and then right into the tall T. Trace it back down and into the short E. Now, you have to count your strokes going upward because they all seem to mesh into one another. So this one and this one are for the U. That means this third one is for the I. So that's where I'm going to put my dot, and then I have to cross my T. And the next word is tiny. So I leave a good amount of space right here. And I'm going to go all the way to the top for the T, trace back down into the I, overhill into the N, there's our stem, our hump, and now we're going to overhill into the Y. Here's our bowl, and go down in the basement for the loop, cross over the stem at the baseline, go back and cross the T, and dot the I. Quite tiny. Another phrase we can write is play quietly, which I'm sure you do all the time with your brother or sister at home. So, play starts at the base with an uphill stroke, down in the basement, trace back up, make the circular part, stop at the stem, go up into the tall L, overhill into the A, stop, turn around, touch the base, touch the baseline again, overhill into the Y, here's our bowl, and and into the basement, loop to the left, cross, here's play, and now we want quietly. So leave a good space. We want an overhill for the Q, stop, turn around, touch the base, connect, in the basement, go to the right, connect, before shooting up to the U. Remember the U has two going up, there's the bowl in the middle. We're going to go right into the I, and into the short E, into the T, tall L with a loop, overhill for the Y, here's the bowl, go into the basement with the loop, and outward to finish it off. Again, which one do we dot? There's for the U, so the third one must be the I, and we want to cross the T. Quietly. Play quietly. All right, there's the end of lesson 10 with the letters Y and Q.